Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Jio international roaming not working. So here's a guide for your IR activation, APN and network select. Method 1. Check your international roaming pack. Open the My Jio app, go to Plans or My Plans. Make sure your international roaming pack is active. Recharge with a valid roaming pack if needed. Method 2. Turn roaming on. Open settings on your phone, tap mobile network or SIM card. Select your Jio SIM, turn data roaming on. Method 3. Select a network manually. Go to Settings, select Mobile Network, tap on Network Operators. Turn off Automatic Network Selection. Choose a supported network from the list. Method 4. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off, wait for 30 seconds, turn it back on and check if the network connects. Method 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, go to System or General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Restart your phone and try again. If it's still not working, make sure your destination country is covered by Geo International Roaming. Check that your Geo SIM is inserted correctly and is working. Contact Geo customer care through the My Geo app or by calling Geo support for further assistance. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.